Bruh.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today for this I tried video, okay, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try something that I think no natural ever has tried on YouTube before, and it's this Babyliss Twist Secret tool. This creates, apparently, twists in your hair. Okay, so yeah, you know, naturals, twists, like, why has no one ever tried this? I saw these back in the days, you know, on TV, and I was like, I don't know, maybe 10 or 12 years old. You know, on TV, there was this girl, like little girl with straight hair, and she was like twisting her hair, and I was like, oh my God, Mom, I want to have this because this is so cool. But she was looking at me like, you know that's not going to work for your hair, girl. I don't know why I bought this, like out of the blue. I was thinking about this actually, like, isn't there like this tool to twist or braid your hair automatically? So I looked some things up and I bought this on Amazon, and this was not expensive at all. I think this was like maybe $10 or something like that. That's not a lot. Batteries are included. I hope so, because if they are not included, I can't continue this video. I definitely hope I won't regret this. Oh yeah, the batteries are included. Yes. You know, the thing is, if this works to twist your hair, oh my God, this will be like a lifesaver. Imagine no more twisting for hours at night. Oh my God, you can just be like and done. 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 I hope this will work, but I'm very skeptical. Very skeptical about this one. I don't trust this at all, sis. At all, but I'm here to try it out. I need to open this with a screwdriver. Seriously? Oh my God. This is not even opening. The heck is going on? The fuck? No, I can't open this. I have a very precise screwdriver to open this type of devices, but it doesn't work. This is so freaking tight. Oh my God, this thing is so effed up. And my screwdriver doesn't fit in this anymore. So now I have to open this, and I'm using a knife. And this... Why is this so hard? Like, you can open this with a knife, okay? Just saying. This is what I just did. Normally, I can open it right now. Okay. Okay, no, this didn't hurt. I thought it hurt. Sorry, false alarm. Oh my God, you see it's opening now? Okay, so I just put the batteries inside. Let's see if this works. Oh. Do I really want to put this in my hair? Okay, so my hair, I washed my hair 2 days ago, and I don't have any product in my hair. I was like, let me just try it out on a few patches because I am very skeptical. I'm not going to prepare my whole head with products and water and all that kind of stuff. No, I'm just going to try out some patches, okay? So maybe here in the front. So I bought this on Amazon. I don't know, not many people bought this product, okay? And the reviews on this product were only from white people that have straight hair, and they put like pictures and all that kind of stuff, and some reviews were like really bad, like, oh my God, like the product was already used, this and that. Then there was this question from someone asked, can you use this on black people hair? And the person responded, oh my God, I'm just going to put the comment right here so you can see. And I was like, what did you just say? Now I'm going to put one section underneath this pink thing, handle thingy. Okay, I really don't know how to do this. I don't know if you guys can see how I put my hair, but basically I, just read the instructions. If you plan to buy this, just read the instructions, because I can't like explain all of this. This is so confusing, so many questions. The heck do I have to do now? Okay, so they have like some instructions right here. I'm following these. Okay, so I have to now put it on stand 1, correct? What the, you guys see this? Ah! My hair's stuck here. Oh my god, my hair's stuck. Okay. Oh my gosh. My hair is literally twisting. Okay. Okay, so now that this, oh my gosh. Okay, so now stands 2. Am I ready? Am I ready? I don't know. Oh. Okay, so anyways, 3, 2, 1.
Bruh.
Oh, what? This might be something, guys. This might be something. What is this sorcery? This was just doing like this and pushing a button, and it creates this on fleek twist, and my hair is dry. Imagine if I do my whole head with products and gel and whatever. Ooh, Lord, baby Jesus, this is something new. Like, this is, oh my god, I'm so pissed that this back is broken. And the ends, you can just be like real quickly, or just put a perm rod in on the ends, you know. This, okay. Let me try some more twist, because your girl is shook. Okay, so let me do a twist in bigger size. Just look. Seriously, how freaking neat is this twist? Like, this is perfect for the ones who cannot twist. Okay, so I'm going to wet my hair for this one, because I want to see if it works on wet hair. Okay, so I have 2 sections. It's really hard to put your hair in these things, by the way. Like, it's really hard. I don't know what to do. Now push stand 1. What is happening? Okay. What is happening? Okay, so you need to be careful though. So you need to make sure these twists are separated, because if one hair intertwines with this twist, then you're fucked. Okay, because it hurts. Okay, so a little bit more. So I'm keeping them separated, like, okay, don't twist too long, because now this hurts. Can I undo this? No. Crap. You need to keep an eye on this stuff. Okay. Listen. You know what? Gosh, how neat is this? Wow. Oh my god, imagine if you want to do like Senegalese twist or whatever. You can do this with this easily. Easily, in no time. No freaking time. You want to do Marley twists? This. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few more twists. I'm gonna put like product in my hair and stuff, because this is so intriguing. Oh, maybe let's try it out if this can be done on a huge chunk of hair. Let me take like this section right here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my pre-poo in this. It's seriously a challenge to put your hair in these pink things. Like, this is so hard to open, and it bounces back immediately. So you're like, can you see this? Like you have to use both arms and legs. I'm serious. Like, I'm putting this device in between my legs right now, and I'm like clipping my hair in these things. Let's do this. Oh. What am I doing wrong? Okay. Oh, fuck, no. Okay. So this is twisted, and now we're going to twist it again. Whoa! Perfect twist out. Here we come. No one will have a bad twist out now. Like, this is a game changer. Oh my gosh, look at my twist, girl. What? Oh my god. And this was with water and product. Okay, so you can use this with water and product. This one was dry, this one was wet, and this one was wet with product. Okay, you see my hair is completely rolled up. And now, wait. Oh my god. Literally the most perfect twists ever. No. I underestimated this so much. I was literally so skeptical about this, and that's why I was like, I didn't even prepare my hair well. If I knew this would have worked, I would have done like a full twist out and whatever. But now, you know, my hair is kind of tangled and I'm not really in the mood to detangle all of my hair right now and just, you know, nah. I'm definitely going to try this out again when my hair is like wet and when I have like moisturizing products in. Because, you know, that's a great opportunity to try out my new African Pride's products that I just recently bought. Like, I bought them myself and I want to do like a full review, and this is like a protective style review. So I think this is definitely going to work well together. This is like a leave-in butter, a gel, and then the detangling mask, and then some oil. So I think this will definitely work together. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I underestimated this. Like, guys, this is the bomb. And I will definitely do the updated video as soon as possible. And if that video is already up, I will put it here somewhere on the screen so you can check that out after this video. Okay, like, this is perfect for those who cannot twist their hair. I got a lot of comments on my recent twist out video like, hey, I really can't do twist outs. My twist outs always come out frizzy and messy and it just doesn't turn out right. Buy this. Buy this. If you can't twist, this. If you want to do Senegalese twists, this. If you want to do Marley twists, this. Okay, so anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. If you enjoyed this, if you didn't expect the outcome of this device, let me know in the comment section. I would love to know if you have ever tried this. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys know that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.